Last November, I took a fully autonomous Pony.ai Robotaxi from Tencent headquarters to DJI headquarters in Shenzhen. Gliding through those hyper-modern, meticulously structured streets, the car navigated flawlessly using LiDAR. Shortly after, while reading Walter Isaacson's biography of Elon Musk, a profound realization hit me about the fatal flaw in Musk's AI strategy. Hello everyone. Today, I want to dissect the first principles thinking of one of modern tech's biggest visionaries. We are going to look at it through a slightly different lens. The intersection of cloud-native architecture, physical AI, and philosophy. Musk is a genius at rebuilding systems from fundamental physics. But, as his biography vividly details, his stubborn refusal to use LiDAR stems from this exact first principles approach. What happens when the logic that brilliantly designs universe-scale infrastructure becomes a dangerous trap here on Earth? Today, we are going to unravel that paradox. Let's start with the macro level. The biggest bottleneck in AI evolution right now is energy. If we want physical AI to scale, Earth-bound energy grid, even future nuclear fusion reactors might simply not be enough. This is where Musk's Sentient Sun concept comes in. Instead of spending billions to build mini-suns fusion reactors on Earth, why not just use the massive existing fusion reactor at the center of our solar system? By building a massive AI data center in space using a swarm of satellites, you unlock the ultimate cloud computing backend. Architecturally, it is a masterpiece for training massive AI models. Now, having looked at the macro scale of the cosmos, let's bring this back down to Earth, literally. Here, we hit a hard wall of physics: the speed of light. You cannot stream real-time decision-making from space to a humanoid robot or a car on Earth. The latency is simply too high. In the physical world, a delay of a few milliseconds is fatal. Therefore, while the heavy lifting, the training, can happen in the cosmic cloud, the actual inference, the real-time decision-making, must be strictly localized. It has to happen on the edge. This clean division between cloud training and edge inference is the foundational architecture of the future. And this brings us back to the reality I saw in Shenzhen and the central paradox of this video. If Musk can rationally engineer systems for the vacuum of space, why is his car still stuck at level 2 autonomy on a sunny day in California? Competitors like Waymo and Pony.ai are already running commercial level 4 driverless robotaxis. The answer lies in Musk's stubborn interpretation of first principles. Waymo and Pony.ai rely heavily on LiDAR, using lasers to build precise, redundant 3D geometric maps of the world. Musk rejects LiDAR entirely. He argues that since humans drive using only our eyes, cars should be able to drive using only cameras. To put it simply, Tesla is trying to solve biology. Waymo is trying to solve geometry. Why is this biological approach a problem? It suffers from massive survivorship bias. Human drivers actually crash all the time, giving a machine the exact same sensory limitations as a human, relying on 2D camera projections, but without the deep common sense reasoning of a human brain. Is incredibly risky. Cameras are easily fooled by shadows, glare, and weather. To achieve the 9 nines of safety required in the physical world, we shouldn't force machines to mimic biological evolution. We should leverage the unique strengths of machines' direct, redundant, geometric measurement through LiDAR. How a machine perceives reality should not be artificially limited by how we perceive it. To conclude, Tesla's FSD isn't really an autonomous driving product today. It is a massive public experiment in building artificial general intelligence. When software steps out of the screen and controls moving matter in the physical world, engineering redundancy must override the aesthetic desire for biological mimicry. The future of AI architecture, is a hybrid one. We will train our models in the stars using the infinite power of the sun, but we will execute those models safely on the ground, using all the sensory tools at our disposal. Thank you for watching.